Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the compatible cable on the Dyson HS01 hairdryer. In this video, we will guide you through every step to ensure a successful repair. Let's get started with the tools you will need. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of wire strippers, and of course, a compatible replacement cable. First, ensure that your hairdryer is unplugged. Safety is paramount when working with electrical devices. Begin by removing the screws that hold the outer casing of the dryer using your Phillips screwdriver. There are usually 4 screws located at the back and sides of the device. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, carefully detach the outer casing. You might need to use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. With the casing removed, you can now see the internal wiring and the cable connection. Next, locate the cable that you will be replacing. It's typically connected to a circuit board and secured with additional screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Once detached, take your wire strippers and carefully strip the ends of the new compatible cable, making sure to expose enough copper for a solid connection. Now, connect the new cable to the circuit board, ensuring that the colors match the original wiring configuration. This is crucial for the proper functioning of your hairdryer. After connecting, secure the cable with the screws you previously removed. If you feel unsure about any of these steps or prefer to leave it to the professionals, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Before reassembling the dryer, it's a good practice to clean any dust or debris from the internal components. You can use a small brush or compressed air for this. This will help maintain the efficiency of your device. Now, it's time to reattach the outer casing. Align it properly and replace all the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but avoid over-tightening as this could crack the casing. Once everything is back in place, plug in the hairdryer and test the new cable for functionality. If you encounter any issues or prefer a hassle-free solution, don't forget that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. With no calls and no travel necessary, you can have your device repaired with ease. Additionally, we provide a quote before the repair, ensuring transparency throughout the process. And that's it. You have successfully replaced the compatible cable on your Dyson HS01 hairdryer. With just a few tools and some careful steps, you can extend the life of your device while saving money on repairs. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.